Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain how the scheduling module works in SuperConstruct. The scheduling module helps you plan, track, and monitor your project timeline, making it easier to identify delays, stay on schedule, and keep everyone aligned throughout the project. To get started, log into SuperConstruct, open your company, select the required project, and navigate to the scheduling module from the left side navigation bar. When you open the scheduling module, click on the Upload button. A pop-up will appear with multiple options. Here, you can download the MSP schedule template, which provides an Excel file with all the required columns already added. Simply download the template, fill in your project schedule details, save the file, and return to SuperConstruct. Click Browse, select the updated Excel file from your system, and upload it. Before the schedule is imported, SuperConstruct displays a preview of the uploaded data. This allows you to review the schedule, verify the task hierarchy, check the total number of tasks, and ensure all information is correct. If you notice any mistakes, you can go back to the Excel file, make the necessary changes, and upload it again. Once everything looks good, click Upload MSP Schedule, and your project schedule will be imported successfully. Now let's see how the uploaded schedule is displayed. SuperConstruct presents the schedule in an interactive Gantt chart with different colored indicators that help you quickly understand the status of each task. The black bar represents the planned start date and planned end date of a task. When you hover over it, you can see the planned schedule for that task. The dotted bar represents the projected start date and projected end date. Hovering over it displays the projected timeline for the task. A red bar indicates that a task is overdue. This appears when the actual end date is later than the planned end date, showing that the task has exceeded its planned schedule. A yellow bar indicates that the task started late, meaning the actual start date is later than the planned start date. A green bar indicates that the task is progressing on schedule, with the actual dates aligning with the planned dates. You will also notice a vertical red line across the Gantt chart. This represents today's date, making it easy to compare the current date with your project schedule. Above the Gantt chart, SuperConstruct provides a quick project summary. You can view the total number of tasks, the number of completed tasks, the overall schedule duration, and whether the project is currently ahead of schedule or delayed, along with the number of days. You'll also see the overall planned, projected, and actual project dates whenever they are available. To make navigation easier, you can use the Expand All and Collapse All options to quickly manage the task hierarchy. The module also displays who last updated the schedule, along with the date and time of the latest update. As the project progresses, you'll need to update your schedule regularly. Instead of creating a new schedule from scratch, simply update the same Excel file by modifying the latest task information, such as actual dates and projected dates. Once the updates are complete, return to the scheduling module and click Replace MSP Schedule. Just like the initial upload, you'll be able to browse and select the updated Excel file. SuperConstruct will display a preview before replacing the existing schedule. In addition to the preview, you'll also see what has changed compared to the previous schedule, including updated tasks and modified dates. After reviewing the changes, click Upload to replace the existing schedule with the latest version. The Gantt chart will automatically refresh and display the updated project timeline. Finally, let's look at the History section. Every time you upload or replace a schedule, SuperConstruct automatically creates a new version. For example, your first upload is saved as version 1, the next upload becomes version 2, and so on. When you open any version and click What Changed, you can view all the differences between that version and the previous one, including updated dates, modified tasks, and newly added tasks. This makes it easy to track schedule changes over time and understand how the project has evolved. This is how the scheduling module works in SuperConstruct, helping project teams plan effectively, monitor progress, track schedule changes, identify delays early, and keep projects running on time.